1997, Las Vegas to Seattle, Washington in November 1997, 5 a.m. The train is from Las Vegas to Seattle, Washington in 1997.
Standard and deep socket quarter and 3/8-inch drives and a lifetime warranty. Shop where the big guy shops for season savings at your Columbia Basin and Walla Walla Valley Napa Auto Parts store. Everyone knows that Napa's the place to shop for hard-to-find parts, and we've got season savings to fill.
1997, Las Vegas to Seattle, Washington. 1997.
And for that special someone, Napa's Professional Series hand tools, a 23-piece set.
November 1997. 1997, Las Vegas to Seattle, Washington in August 1997. 1997, Las Vegas to Seattle, Washington in 1997. From Las Vegas to Seattle, Washington in November 1997. In July 1997. In July 1997, Las Vegas to Seattle, Washington. In 1997, July 1997, Las Vegas to Seattle, Washington. In July 1997.
Napa's Professional Series hand tools. A 23-piece set is only $29.99 and a 39-piece set is only $49.99. Standard and deep socket quarter and 3/8-inch drives and a lifetime warranty. Shop where the big guy shops. Season savings at your Columbia Basin and Walla Walla Valley Napa Auto Parts store. Everyone knows that Napa's the place to shop for hard-to-find parts.
July 1997.
Our 18th edition Napa toy truck is only $16.99. A quick grip micro clamp is only $9.99. And for that special someone, Napa's Professional Series hand tools. A 23-piece set is only $29.99 and a 39-piece set is only $49.99. Standard and deep socket quarter and 3/8.
July 1997.
Shop where the big guy shops for season savings.
This is from July 1997. 1997, Las Vegas to Seattle, Washington. 5 a.m. to 9 a.m. 1997, Las Vegas to Seattle, Washington. 1997, Las Vegas to Seattle, Washington. From Las Vegas to Seattle, Washington.
Place to shop for hard-to-find parts, and we've got season savings to fill everybody's wish list.
1997, Las Vegas to Seattle, Washington. July 1997, Las Vegas to Seattle, Washington. August 1997. This year, 1997. This is from July 1997. From Las Vegas to Seattle, Washington. July 1997. 1997, Las Vegas to Seattle, Washington. Las Vegas to Seattle, Washington in 1997. July 1997. This year, 1997, Las Vegas to Seattle, Washington. In July 1997. 1997, Las Vegas to Seattle, Washington. In July 1997. August 1997. This July 1997, Las Vegas to Seattle, Washington. This is my first 1997, Las Vegas to Seattle, Washington. This is epic. 5 a.m. and 9 a.m. this morning.
Jason at Walla Walla Valley Napa Auto Parts Store.